ticket. Sasakyan natin papuntang Padang Besar. Doon sa border ng Thailand at saka Malaysia. Dito na kami sa Padang Besar. Sa Malaysia Immigration. 16 August. Habang naghihintay kami ng sasakyan namin na van, pupunta na tayo ng Thailand Immigration. Uy!
Gusto po walang naiba.
Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. Magandang umaga po. At maaga kaming gumising ngayon kasi pupunta kami ng Thailand kasi patapos na yung araw ko dito sa Malaysia. 30 days lang kasi dapat makalabas ako ng Malaysia bago pa ang 30 days. Pa-renew lang yung 30 days ko para matatakan ulit ng immigration yung passport ko. So ang gagawin namin, lalabas kami ng pupunta kami ng Thailand tapos kinabukasan mabalik din kami. Kaya doon lang ako pupunta sa Thailand kasi malapit lang dito at saka hindi makagastos ng malaki kasi kapag uuwi ako ng Pilipinas mapapagastos ng malaki. Kaya dito kami sa Thailand punta. Doon kami magka cross border kami, border ng Thailand saka Malaysia. O, labas na tayo guys. na at 6:55 ang alis ng train. Tingnan natin kung mahabol natin yung 6:55. Tingnan natin tong light. Kita na lang tayo dun sa Butterworth. I-park natin dito kasi doon tayo magparking sa my train. Malaki ang bayad kasi oras-oras may bayad. At ngayon ang gagawin namin, magbubook kami ng Grab papunta doon sa Butterworth Station, doon sa station ng train. Yan, dito kami nagpa-park. Dito namin pinark. Naghihintay kami ngayon ng Grab. So, hindi natin nahabol yung 6:55 na alis ng train. So next time na lang, yung susunod na alis ng train lang tayo. 7:25. 7:30 Let's go. Nandito na yung Grab. Alright guys, nandito na kami sa station, Butterworth Station. Okay na. So ngayon bibili kami ng ticket. So we're going to buy tickets. Dito kami bibili ng ticket. Ngayon bibili kami ng ticket. Padang Besar. Padang Besar. Okay. Then scan.
Selamat pagi bila tuan saya meminta pengaduan kepada besar dan stesen dan tanah stesen Bukit Tengah di Mertaja stesen
Right, kaya tayo ng ticket.
Guru Koha Al-Ustaz Bukit.
Ano ba? You go first.
Pada masa sila nomor 4 berpasal train berlepas pada jam 7.35 pagi. Manager
Gawi. Guys, dito na, papasok na tayo. Pa? Andito. Andito na tayo. Train na guys, dito tayo maghihintay ng train. Yep. Sana sini See guys, nandiyan na yung train. Guys, ito yung sasakyan natin papuntang Padang Besar. Doon sa border ng Thailand at saka Malaysia. Uy! Pasok na tayo. Yun, pipili tayo ng sasakyan. Dito. Here. So, yan. So, nandito na kami sa loob. Yun guys, 7:23. So, ang alis ng alis ng train?
7:35.
35 ah, yung si 25.
Eh, just now, they not 35.
Oh, 35. So, ito yung loob ng train guys. So, walang masyadong tao ah. So, 7:26 pa lang. Ang alis ng train na to is 7:35. So bali guys, ito yung huling labas ko ng bansa, huling labas ko dito sa Malaysia kasi after this mag-a-apply na ako ng visa. Yan, alis na kami. Larga na. So ang biyahe is 1 hour and 51 minutes from Baraward to Padang Besar.
Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for using KTM Commuter Service Menaiki Train. Surcharge akan dikenakan kepada penumpang yang menaiki train tanpa tiket yang sah. Terima kasih. You are advised to have a valid ticket before boarding the train. Surcharge will be imposed.
Daming tao. Malapit na tayong makarating sa Padang Besar. Malapit sa Padang Besar. Ganda ng train. Oh, that's why na. Checking ah. Many train kayo na ba? Many train.
Please mind your step.
Open. Yeah. Good. Let's go. Yeah. Nandito na kami sa Padang Besar. So itong train na to going to KL. Ang sasakyan namin papunta doon ay doon sa Hatyay ay bus. Ay no, bus na van. Kasi sa train matagal ang pila, almost 2 hours ang pila sa immigration dito sa train. So ang sasakyan namin papunta doon ay it is van. Alright, let's go. Ha? Hotel ah.
2 PM.
Hindi mo na go.
Makan. Kimon Garden.
Ah, boleh?
New Market.
Ya, bukan nak turun area mana? Central haknya Lee Garden,
Kim Yong Market.
Kim Yong beli.
Kim Yong
Dua
Market.
orang kan?
Near only hotel ah. Okay.
Bagi kau. RM60 je bos.
So ang bayad ng van is 30, pamasahe sa van is 30 ringgit. Dalawa kami 60. Pupuga ah.
I forgot. I give exactly.
Pupuga.
Oh, follow me ah.
Ano nagpupuga?
Baby.
Let's go, nakabili na kami ng ticket. Ticket ng bus, ticket ng van, 30 ringgit ang isa. Para mabilis pag kasi train matagal. Long time ride. Pila 2 hours sa immigration.
Waiting long time.
Tara.
Baby.
Yeah.
You want to use what? Internet. Roaming ke apa?
Sana lang. Cepat. Dito ada roaming. Bising.
I tak tahu roaming. I never do.
Banyak lah. Check roaming and try. 15 ringgit.
I screenshot first the way.
Later.
Cash.
Let's go. Then, oh, yan sila magbaban din yan. Kasi ayaw nila pumila dun sa train. So pauwi kami, train ang gamitin namin para makatipid din. Papunta lang kasi matagal ang immigration. Punta na kami sa van. Bale from dito, sasakay muna kayo ng taxi. Sasakay muna kayo ng taxi. Ihatid sa doon sa immigration. Tapos van na. Kasama na yung 30 ringgit na pamasahin nyo dito.
Abang ikut pakcik tu naik satu kereta. Lepas tu siap cop pasport, kita punya van ada sana nah.
Okay.
Hello, excuse me.
Okay, mana ba cakap bang? Follow bang. And then this car?
Follow abang.
Follow abang. Follow abang.
Ini mana lagi nak? Okay.
Buka beg bang.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay ah.
Saja mau naik kereta api lah. Kemang. Lagi orang yang belakang tengah tu kena tunduk. Jangan tak tunduk sangkut kepala saya tak jawab. Oh. Okey, tunduk. Tunduk. Jalan tu terus masuk jauh ada beg.
Ay, it's okay.
Okey.
Thank you.
Dia pun tak mau begitu pun tu.
Alright.
Okey bang, okey.
Thank you.
Selamat, happy Ajan. Berapa hari cuti? Oh, lah 1 hari.
Isok balik. Okay, nandito na tayo sa immigration. Padang Busa. Kailangan na nating i-off tong camera kasi mag-immigration na tayo. Dadaan na tayo nag-immigration. So, i-off ko muna tong camera na to. Hi guys.
Kanan kalau nak balik ni.
Wait. Later. Ini Thailand immigration. So guys, tapos na kami sa Malaysia immigration.
16 August.
16 August. Yan. So next na naman sa Thailand immigration. Andun pa sa unahan yung immigration ng Thailand. So dito kami naghihintay ng van. Hintay kami natawagin. Yun sila na una, tinawag na sila. Kami hindi pa, naiwan kami dito. Iba yung lugar namin. Habang naghihintay kami ng sasakyan namin na van, nagkain muna siya. Nagugutom. Kakain muna kami kasi nagugutom. Ito yung baon namin, oh. Later niya siya pa. Ada enggak?
Ada. Oh, white egg only.
Ayan, may Lola. Lola Mir. Ito yung wife ko.
Kim Yong. Okay.
Kim Yung. Close first. I want to drink. Sit ka. Yeah. Kaya na kami ng van. This one. Ah. Ito naputol yung pagkain ng pansit nanto natin guys kasi tinawag na tayo. Kinyang sino yan? Dito tayo sasakay guys. Ay go first ah. Alright. So ito yung wait lang wait. So ito yung van na sasakyan natin guys. So ano ba tayo? Supportive. Uy. And then like this ah. Itong van na to dadaan pa ng Thailand Immigration. Guys, pupunta na tayo ng Thailand Immigration. Kuya.
Ha?
Okay. Okay, let's go. Thank you.
Ayah. Okay.
I'm going. Amazon, huh? Yes, yeah, I tell you.
Ay, tama si Dani. Here.
So guys, we arrived here in Hatiay.
Tujuannya makan-makan.
Makan
Banyak-banyak. Ayo. Ya. Wih. Nice.
Where are you? Souvenir. So, nandito kami sa streets. Maraming nagtitinda dito sa streets. Where you go? Huh? Nasi. Oh, before this. Which one? The one we buy, with the
Ah. Kayak mau.
So, what nama ini? Food? Nama apa?
Nasi kok.
Nasi Pomo. Bibili kami ng nasi Pomo. So guys, kakain kami, bibili kami ng
Before I buy this one.
ini sama lang boy.
Kenapa?
Sama.
Ada durian atas.
Grabe, 50 ito. Wala kaming barya. We don't know. Ha? Hey, what time close, boy? What time close? But you want to, ano?
This one. This my favorite shop.
Sorry. Her favorite shop.
Aku ni. Bongkos. Dua.
Okay. Still area, right?
Kakak makan ini dong ya.
Gone, bukti.
Later cannot finish I take away.
Oh. Bisa dah, tengok. Berapa?
180.
Kak.
Okey, masih.
Open. Wih. So guys. Ayun guys, tapos na kami kumain at ngayon naman, mana? Ano? Oh, we're from there, right?
Follow me.
Oh, I forgot. So ngayon naman ay pupunta kami ng 7-Eleven. Yung bago na 7-Eleven. Kacang-kacang. Ini kacang-kacang.
Kacang before we buy until we don't eat anymore. Goreng lama.
No, different. That one will different. Ini other taste. Ini goreng, right? That one goreng, I don't.
Ada also I buy nak makan.
That one goreng.
I buy makan dami also you nak makan.
Dami?
Dua tuku kan.
No, it agak time.
No.
Late.
I think mau. Eat. Tak eat pun.
Ini sweet. Ini din buy banyak. Din when also. Let's go.
I sudah goreng macam mana. Oh, dia fruit more nice.
Wait, Indian. Ano raw? Mana the new sana? Street ah? No.
This one, another one. Ini yang kita takut.
Oh.
Ini also right. Sama, before I try.
Oh, sama
But the
ini.
rice is not bring me.
Expert.
Already more than 10 minutes.
Uy.
If this here, 7.
Yeah. I think we go there.
If you see the pen like you like, everybody knows.
Pen. Yeah. Oh, I don't remember already, but I know that place. I know that place over there. Serious?
Later you turn left.
I know.
The train is in front only. Yeah. Train
Yeah.
station.
Our hotel?
It's okay. We walk first. Hotel not yet open.
And, oh, we stop here, right?
Yeah.
Cafe Amazon. Turn left. We're now here. So guys, pupuntahan namin yung magandang 7-Eleven. Yung bagong 7-Eleven doon. New 7-Eleven.
Gana na ako. Uy, may besar. Si kamu.
Stock nila dito yan oh. Pwede. So dito lang kami. Lakad-lakad lang muna kasi ang oras natin ngayon ay 11:13. So yung hotel check-in is 1 o'clock. Hey. Ayo, ini also dah. Travel Eco.
Dia also ada SIM card.
Ah. Before this we come here this. Very nice something. But I think I need to buy sunglass. Mana? Mushroom shop ah. Ah, that one. Yeah, we arrived guys. Over there. Nice.
Pass by now.
Boleh. Oh. Sini. Dove. Come on. Sawi kami guys. Punta kami ng 7-Eleven. Uy, also ah. So dito ah, okay. Still, come, run. 2, 1, 0, ang galing. Ito guys, bago. New 7-Eleven here in Hatyai. Bagong bukas lang oh. Oh, you also ah? Yes. Nagawa mo.
Baby, this one lah you tengok. Show. Sedap. Sambal. Actually ada 2 flavor. Cakap sini pergi kena 6 kan boleh ni kalau nak tukang.
Sabi. Pa, berapa? Ah.
Tak, saya lagi tak. Orang mana tu habis?
Tomorrow maybe. Okay, lagi tomorrow. Right.
Kira mula satu.
Anything for me, it's okay.
Satu abang, satu you. Latte pahit lah.
Someone
Mau
nice.
tengok expired mana?
Expired date.
Zen.
November daw, November.
Tapi ini tak ada haluan. Oh, if ada teh ais, I buy teh ais boleh?
Boleh.
My father like. Now very difficult to find.
Nice.
Kita ada.
Takut. Suddenly come.
But I think I want it.
If you want, just take it lah. enough ah. Oh,
Too much.
okay.
My happiness.
And then, bayar.
You tak mau?
Tama. I'm still full.
10 baht.
And together.
My card.
Try.
Berapa?
Boleh visa tak boleh?
Boleh kak.
Senggol je boleh.
Minimum 200 baht or in Thailand. Can you use card? But can you use for Touch and Go? Alipay can na?
Okay na.
120 only. In fact, this cost for you 14 baht. Wait na. About 2 minutes. I look for you. Can you follow me? Okay. Are ready to pay? Okay.
Alright. Thank you.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Sawadika. Kapong ka. Okay.
Which one got discount? You cakap ada discount 20 baht.
20 baht ah? Oh boy, just now you forgot ah. Yeah. You can and then transfer lagi.
Yeah. I buy apa?
You can pay actually.
10 baht, 34 baht. Tak faham. 14 baht plastic bag. 134. Let me check in something boleh?
Chicken wing.
Ini supposed to be 68 only. It become 78.
Why?
Mana my 10 baht?
Which one?
Just nak cakap ada discount.
Can you ask again?
Oh, bak ini sudah minus 14. Jom.
Tak tahu ah.
I checking only. Tring. Tring kona. Teh ais kona. Big teh ais. Sedapnya.
Guys, pag ako nandito lang, ako lang mag-isa pupunta dito, exit lang ba? One day. Siguro nasa loob lang ako siguro ng hotel. Ito kasama ko. Sabi niya, my happiness inside 7-Eleven. Uy!
Sedap.
Sedapnya. Cukai.
I buat ada fine ni tengok my special. I'm shy lah. Wow, different things. Ambil cari hotel boleh asyik hotel.
So, boleh? No, okay?
Try first lah.
Okay lah already. We will try lah.
Let me see. Let me search. The red planet.
You see,
hotel.
you can connect. Hotspot. You can connect.
Wait, 3 minutes only? Ini mana go? Left ke right?
Sini.
Alright, straight. Oh,
Straight
lah.
saja.
Ini saja.
Uy, very nice ah. Alright guys, ngayon pupunta na kami ng aming hotel. Dito sa
Tengok
Hatia.
depan, tengok depan.
Tingting.
Oh,
Ay.
ini Aloha Hotel. Bye, tengok ini picture tak cantik.
Aloha Hotel. So yung from dito yung hotel namin is malapit lang. 3 minutes lang. 3 minutes lang ah. Yeah, just 3 minutes. You want me to bring this also?
No, I'm going to bring this one.
Naiin na ako guys. I think our hotel is on the left side.
That one.
Which one?
Planet.
Huh?
Sudah right.
Red Planet?
Ini red color.
Oh, that one ah. So yan.
The
Halala.
nicest hotel that I have ever stayed is. Apa nama? Weh,
I forgot.
take a nap.
Hmm?
Take a nap. Guest house. Very nice. Before nobody know. After we stay, one time, full every time.
Uy, cantik ah this one also. Huh? Yeah, I think. No, I think no. Because
I think yes, we turn left
our
later.
hotel over there before this. Marites. Marites. So ano, what is this? Baho. Alright, thank you. Red Planet. So nandito kami na ngayon sa hotel namin. Ang pangalan Red Planet. Walk slowly. There's no car. No car inside. Where's the entrance? Okay, can you open?
Yeah.
Oh, many people come here. Okay, we arrived. Empty. Uy.
โดยเช้านะคะวิวได้อยู่เช็คอินนาวค่ะโดยรวมเลเวล4ค่ะเลเวล4 007 we change to one with stayment for you already the lift may scan the card the room door scan and push the door please
Okay, thank you. So guys, pumunta na kami ng room namin. Yan.
Asking for deposit.
Yeah, this hotel no asking for deposit.
Actually, I'm scared our money not enough because I don't make banyak cash. Mana I faham?
Ito,
Ini?
Ah.
Ini?
Ah.
Okay, wait. We are at level 4.
So now it's 11:42 na. Guys,
Level 4.
level 4.
Before you press the lift, must scan.
Ni
Hello girls, I can live anywhere.
okay, you know, she changed the bed. Ito. Sana? Four 406, 407.
Let's see.
Very nice.
Oh, but they don't have refrigerator.
Have that? Sana?
That one not refrigerator.
It's okay na.
Okay, tomorrow go back, no problem.
Nandito na tayo sa hotel natin. So, wait ilagay ko lang ito. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung hotel namin. So, itong hotel na nisya namin, malinis naman. Mas maganda sa nung last namin punta dito. So, ito guys, itong hotel na to, 100 ringgit isang araw lang. Dalawa na kami. Ayan. So, ito, pagkakita ko sa inyo. Meron dito, pa namin yung boy? Hair blower. Tapos, no refrigerator. So, okay na.
The first of hotel without refrigerator.
Yeah.
I think our single bed got refrigerator, but I changed to one bed like. It's okay lah.
No problem, only one day.
Tomorrow go back.
So, ito guys yung toilet. Ito. Yung toilet namin. Wala nga lang refrigerator kasi yung mga nakaraan namin may ref. So ayun guys. Pahinga muna. Pahinga muna kami. Kita tayo ulit mamaya.
Baby. Wi-Fi. Because this one red, the color also red. That's why I don't like to book. This before I don't like red color.
Katulad lang to lang sa atin guys. Sugo. Gusto ko
Nak iba.
sugo ka.
Ika gusto ko wala na iba. Apa?